Hey, Max here. I am creative engineer at Zoo, and I would like to show you how to use snapshots and how they might help you. For example, if you would like to move things together and Zookeeper for some reason is not very successful doing that, you can always request the snapshots. Zookeeper generated several 2D and also 3D views, and this is important. Whenever you feel like Zookeeper is not very successful on moving things around, you might want to double check the reasoning. And then, if you see that the angle is wrong, you can always tell Zookeeper, please use the front view. This is the best way to position things on this part. And you might pick just one view, not all four of them, or you can request several images. All of that is possible with Zookeeper. This gives you an ability to look at the model with the Zookeeper's eyes and then understand why the problem is happening and how can I improve it.